Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So it is very easy and simple to enable all the sensitive content if you prefer it. So first you have to open that Telegram app and then you have to click onto the three lines from the top left. And after that, you have to click onto this settings option. Once you get there, you have to click on privacy and security, and there you can see we don't have any option which says hide or enable sensitive content, because on Android we don't have this option. So for that you have to simply get back, and after that you have to simply go to your browser, and there you have to go to Telegram login, and then click onto the three lines and then click on settings, and then you just have to simply scroll down, and there you will see this option which is show 18 plus content. Now make sure this option is enabled. If not, then you can just enable it, and after that you will be able to see all the sensitive content. So for Android you have to simply go to its web version, but if you're on iOS, then the option will be in privacy and security. From there you can enable it. So that's how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.